Menteri katnat umbam umdi uba Renikton lingdo tongkar ulai itu basian unra hapo kejingelang jong katnat Ministry of Water Resources naga benda ban mang pisa ban pentrekam da ka start pelang slap lane ka rainwater harvesting hapo kejelam. Habakran bakilap thai khubor khat khandai tarik unai lur uba Renikton ulaong ba kejela kedon kam ban sim kabum na ka mai mariang da ka pelang ya ko slap batte lakam ya ka jingkedo ha ka potlang. Ulaong baladak Sorkar jela kapenon kam ya kabut pelang slap lani kabut rainwater harvesting kanwanla ya kajingyo nong bat jingker khu ya bon tili kisnong hapo kajela bante lakam ya kajingkedo ha kapotlang.
We are still thinking, of course, very good idea to do that. I keep saying that in fact we need to learn now how to contain this blessing that God has given us through rain, and we have not done that. So I can say that we have not done that. Otherwise, I think if we can't really contain the quantity of rainwater that we are getting, you are right, we may not have that big problem of not having source, of not having water. That's why I think the next step, yes, very good idea. The next step that we may go to that extent that we will contain rainwater, and it is allowed under JJM to do that. So under JJM it's allowed to do that. So we may explore that possibilities to contain rainwater for the water supply to villages.